Hey there. You can make these bakery style beauties right in your own kitchen. Let me show you how. In the bowl of a stand mixer, dip with a paddle, combine warm buttermilk and yeast and let it sit for 5 minutes. Add the eggs, granulated sugar, salt, and vanilla. I'm using vanilla bean paste because I'm obsessed with it right now. And we're going to mix it until well combined. Add the flour, mixing on low speed until incorporated, which should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, we're going to add the butter, one piece or chunk at a time. When all the butter has been added, increase the speed to medium and beat the butter into the dough until all the butter pieces are nicely incorporated. It'll take about 1 minute. Now we're going to transfer the dough into a large greased bowl. The dough will be very sticky and you'll need a spatula to scrape the dough into the bowl. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rise for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the plastic wrap, place your fingers or spatula underneath the dough, and gently fold the dough up and over itself. Give the bowl a quarter turn and fold the dough over again. Repeat 6 to 8 times until the dough has been folded over itself. We are going to repeat this process for a total of 4 times. And the dough will have a total rising time of 2 hours. In a medium bowl, mix together brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt, and stir it until it's combined completely. Now that the dough is ready, you can tightly cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate overnight, or up to 3 days, or you can begin the finishing process of filling, slicing, and baking. Wrap a 9x13 and set aside. And then we're gonna spread flour on our surface, working surface, and we're gonna begin to roll out the dough. And we're gonna roll it out into a 12x16-inch rectangle. Then we're going to spread our butter nice and neatly all over. And then we're gonna go in and sprinkle our filling mixture, which was the sugar, cinnamon, and salt. Just nicely layer that on there and spread it out evenly, as much as possible. Starting at the long side, roll the dough into a tight cylinder. Pinch the seam gently to seal it and position the dough seam side down. Use a sharp knife to cut the dough into 12 equal pieces. Next, we're going to transfer the slices to our prepared pan, and then we're going to cover the pan loosely with plastic and let it rise for an hour to an hour and a half. Now we're going to beat the butter and cream cheese on medium speed in a medium-sized bowl until smooth and creamy. And we're going to add the vanilla and salt and mix on low speed until combined. Once it's combined, we're going to add our confectioner's sugar, mixing until incorporated. Scrape down the sides of the bowl, increase the speed to medium, and beat until the icing is light and fluffy. Bake the rolls in a preheated oven at 350, rotating the pan halfway through baking, 27 to 32 minutes, until the rolls are golden brown. Transfer the pan of rolls to a wire rack and let it cool for about 5 minutes. With a a spatula or back of the spoon, apply a thin layer of cream cheese icing on the warm rolls using half the mixture, and then let it cool for another 20 minutes and then top with the rest of the icing. These cinnamon rolls are amazing, and they are best the day they are made. They smell so delicious. These homemade buttermilk cinnamon rolls are so soft, sweet, and totally worth the time. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments what you think. And don't forget to subscribe for more cozy recipes. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.